Hello everybody from Disney's Animal Kingdom. Today we're here just to hang out, ride some rides. We only have about a little less than 2.5 hours until the park closes. Let's see what we can ride. Can we ride all the rides before the close? We're about to find out, so let's go. So the plan is to ride Dinosaur first, make our way from Dinosaur to Everest. Everest over to Kilimanjaro Safari. From there, we're gonna work our way back into Pandora, ride Flight of Passage and Navi River. Hopefully we can knock those all out in 2 hours and 12 minutes. That's what we have. But now we're inside the park at the Tree of Life. It's Kevin. Hi, Kevin. So I was going over the app here, looking at the wait times, and it's not bad. So if you look, we have 5 minutes for Dinosaur. We're not gonna ride Triceratops Spin, but we're gonna go to Everest, which is 5-minute wait, but there's also single rider. Then Kilimanjaro, or the River Rapid ride. Ooh, we might have to do that one too. Okay, we're gonna do the River Rapid. We're gonna try to do it all, besides the Dino Spin. Kilimanjaro, and then you can see 20 minutes for Navi River and 25 minutes for Flight of Passage. We'll see what happens. It's a lot to do in a matter of 2 hours. First ride up is Dinosaur.
Asteroid hits. Let's roll!
Just wrapped up Dinosaur. It's like the Indiana Jones of Disney World. Same ride vehicle pretty much, and same kind of ride style, except it's much darker on this one. Now we're heading over to Everest, as it still says it's a 5-minute wait. And those who are wondering where the single rider line is, there's the main entrance for the ride. You come over here to where the gift shop is after you get off the ride, and the single entrance ride is right there. It's nice and cool up here. The temperature is great. The views are awesome. Oh wow. There's Epcot right over there. Woo! Yeah! Oh no, the track is out. It is a Monday. Success, we have completed 2 of the rides. Cali River Rapids is next. I heard the monkeys hooting a minute ago. I don't see them at the moment, but they could be swinging around. I don't see them. They must have went in or something. I did hear him early. Oh, here he is. He's over here on this one. There he is, just hanging out. I know I saw him up there. All right, Cali River Rapids is right over there. So that is next. Yeah! I feel so much better now. Oh, that was a good drive. I'm a little wet. That was refreshing. It felt great. That drop right there, obviously I was on the back side of it. I got wet, which feels good because we still have a lot to do still. We still have Kilimanjaro, Navi River, and Pandora Flight of Passage. I don't know if I'm sweating or I'm just wet. Just check the ride times just to make sure Kilimanjaro is a walk-on. Navi River went from 20 to 10, and then Flight of Passage went from 25 to 35, which is fine. As long as we're on Flight of Passage before the park closes, we'll still be able to ride it. So I think we're going to be able to achieve this since it's only 5:35 right now. And here we are at Kilimanjaro Safari. So we'll be open till 7, so open till park close. Black rhino.
Now, there are unfortunately only about 5,000 black rhinos left in the world. The tan antelopes, those are called the greater kudu. Greater kudu are the tallest antelope, and if you actually, that is the baby hippo right there. Her name is Greta. Baby hippo. Now, a baby hippo calf can weigh up to 85 pounds at birth. Now, crocodiles are the largest crocodilian species in Africa, and they can live to be up to 40 years old.
Alright. There's that.
Right hand side over there are a few wildebeests. Now wildebeests actually will sleep in rows. This is to help protect themselves from predators who may attack. Makes it easy. Now giraffes are the tallest animal in the world, standing between 18 to 20 feet tall.
Giraffes are back there, ain't you?
So it is a bit
Oh,
wet.
look at that.
When we do want you to stay safe still.
This is a unique experience right here. That's all the flamingos.
Over on the left hand side, we have a group of greater flamingos. Now greater flamingo are the lightest shade pink.
Oh my gosh, is it there? Yeah, hello, my guy. Oh, I don't think so.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
She cannot be bothered.
And a group of lions. The lioness is the female lion.
What a unique way to experience the Kilimanjaro safari ride in a heavy rainstorm. That's a first. And honestly, it was really cool to see. And still, the animals were sitting out there, like the lions and stuff up top. Very cool. Right now, Navi River is a 20-minute wait, and then Flight of Passage is 45. I think we can make it. Maybe the line won't be 20 minutes when we get there. Everybody probably just jumped in line during the rainstorm. As you can see, the rain is gone already. So, it's gonna be close. Now arriving into Pandora. Floating rocks. Still says it's a 20-minute wait. About to find out. All right, it's a walk on, everybody. No wait. Just finished up Navi River and it's 6:38. Plenty of time to get in line for Flight of Passage. Currently it says it's gonna be a 45-minute wait. Someone from the channel wanted to know if we could ride all the rides in Animal Kingdom and not spend all day here. Pretty cool. And the answer is yes. Now it is a Monday, so it's not as busy as it would be on a weekend. But we've been here just almost 2 hours now, and we were able to achieve all the major rides in the park. Obviously we didn't do Dino Swirl, but that was it. Well, then there's the shows. We didn't do any of the shows because they want to know about rides, not the shows. Obviously if you're going to see The Lion King, do It's a Bug's Life live theater, those things like that. Those Up the Bird Show takes time, but this 2 hours. If you guys have any suggestions for videos or anything in the future, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. If you guys have some ideas that you guys would want to see, let me know.
Chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden.
Including the actual ride, the whole time was 45 minutes, so it was not a 45-minute wait just for the ride. Very awesome. It's currently 7:22. The park is officially closed now, and we're gonna make our way out the front. Well, everybody, we did it. We rode all the major attractions at Animal Kingdom in just about 2 hours. So is it possible? Yes. Could you half day it if you're only doing rides? Of course. If you're doing, let's say, the shows and stuff like that, no, Animal Kingdom's still a full day experience. There's still the Tree of Life. You got all the different animals you got to discover on it. I mean, right there in that tree, there's an elephant. See this elephant ear right there? There's a lot to see here and do, but if you're just coming for the rides, 2 hours will do it for you. So, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, let me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we'll be doing some more stuff like this very soon. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.